For nearly 30 years, it has accumulated more than 15,000 hours of flight time in 180 different kinds of aircraft. His favorite plane of choice is what you see today, the MXS-RH. Rob will be flying in front of millions of spectators this year across North America. And he wants to welcome you to his 2022 Celebrate Freedom Tour. For his creative and entertaining air show performances, Rob was the 2012 recipient of the Art Scholl Award for Showmanship. He has developed many groundbreaking maneuvers never seen before, as Rob now performs one of those as he tears up the skies over New Jersey. MXS-RH, a custom-built, all-carbon fiber, American-made masterpiece. 1,200 pounds and producing 380 horsepower from its awesome Lycon engine. The MXS is arguably one of the highest-performing aerobatic airplanes in the world today. With a roll rate of over 500 degrees per second and rated to a bone-crushing positive and negative 16 Gs, the MXS is the only aircraft capable of meeting Rob's extreme demands and trademark maneuvers. During today's performance, Rob will be experiencing more than 11 positive Gs shoving him into the cockpit and 9 negative Gs trying to throw him out of it. Rob will be traveling to Poland this August to compete in the 32nd FAI World Aerobatic Championship, going up against the top competition aerobatic pilots on the globe. Rob trains vigorously to keep not only his air show flying skills sharp, but his competition skills sharp, doing so at the highest level. Now let's watch as Rob Holland sets up for another groundbreaking maneuver as he dives in 40 miles an hour. He'll pull back on the stick. Oh, there's Tim Cheese into the seat. As he pulls into the 90-degree upline and rolls the aircraft around. He'll cross control, little left rudder. As he goes into a maneuver we call the screw top and now dives back towards the ground. There's 190, 200, 210 miles an hour now, 50 feet above the in this maneuver we call the slide winder. Let's watch him now as he rolls the aircraft a couple rolls to the right, stops it, rolls it upright, rolls it to the left as he now pushes forward on the stick and abruptly stops that aircraft in one spot in the sky.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. You've seen that seeing is believing.
Rob and many of our performers that you see today are proud members of the International. For more information, you can visit IAC.com to learn more about the pilots and learn how you can fly aerobatics and fly them safely and professionally. Now, I want you to keep your eyes on that airplane as he sets up for a Rob Holland original. This is the Cobra. Striking out of nowhere, let's give Rob Holland a big round of applause. Rob is now going to take a quick break, quick breather, let the engine cool down just a little bit. And as he does so, we're going to attempt to go up live to the cockpit with Rob as he has a few words for us here today. Let's go up live and say hello. Rob Holland, Luke Carrico, how do you copy?
Hey, Rob, what an amazing evening for your show. Gentlemen, I just want to take a moment of your time. Each and every one of you to help me a favor. You see a military man wearing uniform? Or a veteran? Boy, you're welcome. Big hand to say thank you for your service, sacrifice, for every dedication to each and every one of us that made me care so much. From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to dedicate this art to each and every one of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Heart in the Sky dedicated to all of our military members and their families. Well, Rob Holland, that looked great. What are we looking for next?
Folks, just want to start show. Hope we have as much fun watching as I can fly. It's an amazing evening for an air show. We still got some great acts coming up. Look for water speeds above the sky. We'll be doing about 300 miles an hour. Thank you, Luke.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, right now, he is setting up for the second part of his show. And as you heard him live from the cockpit, the bottom of this dive, he will be bringing it in at nearly 300 miles an hour. Setting up for part number 2. Let's look high and above as we welcome back to the aerobatic stage 5-time world aerobatic champion. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Mr. Rob Holland. Continuing to fly into the vertical, he swaps ends and sets up now for this rolling spin. Keep your eyes on that airplane as he runs out of airspeed. All the control surfaces are reversed as he now takes it through a series of spins on the way back down. Now, you do not want to miss this next maneuver. It is a Rob Holland original. We call it the Inside Tumble. Rob is a champion at competition events on the national and world level. And as you see him fly, you can see he is all about precision in each and every maneuver he performs. Lighten it up. Solutions, MGL Avionics, Sleep Pilot Academy, Full Stop Aviation, Accelerate, Lycon Engines, Whirlwind Propellers, and 2 Pro Aviation. Rob also invites you to visit him on Facebook at facebook.com/RH Aerosports. Any good maneuvers, better down inverted. So not to leave any ounce of that sky untouched. Let's watch as he continues to tear it up. Follow the smoke as Rob performs his figures, watching the precision in every single movement. Nobody in the business works as hard as this guy in their flying. Special maneuver in tribute to the mighty AV-8B Harrier II of the United States Marine Corps, the jet that can hover. Now slowing the MXS down to a crawl and holding it on just sheer horsepower and pilot skill. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Rob Holland's Harrier Pass. To a helicopter. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Rob Holland! I'm on top of the world. as Rob sets up to recover. He said he was a few more passes as part of his routine here this evening. Coming in holding it, knife edge flight. The wings no longer creating any lift whatsoever. Just sheer horsepower and a little bit of the control surfaces on the tail. Now, he's going to set up for his landing. And a typical pilot would fly into the area. They would do a base leg. Or they would do a downwind leg, a base leg, and then turn on final for an approach. Well, Rob Holland is no ordinary pilot, so he's going to land his aircraft in a unique way. And instead, he's going to drop this aircraft out of the sky and, well, land in that fashion. Performing a series of spins on the way down. Keep your eyes on him as he comes in for one of the most intriguing landing approaches I've ever seen. And he's down. And that's it. That's Rob Holland, everybody. Let's hear it all the way up and down the line.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Rob Holland, your reigning world aerobatic champion. Whew. That type of flying wears me out, and I'm down here on the ground. If I was up in that airplane, that's a whole lot of hashtag no for me. No thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue with our night air show action, as the cover of darkness makes its way in, sun sets, I've got a very simple question for you. Are you having a good time? Oh, I don't know. This is New Jersey. You all yell louder on the interstate. Let's try that one more time. Are you having a good time? That's what we love to hear. There's Rob Holland taxiing in right now as the air show action continues here at the 2022 Greenwood Lake Air Show. Speeds of over 280, 300 miles an hour. We're going to slow things down just a little bit with our next performance. We are very thrilled this year to welcome to the Greenwood Lake Air Show Airrhythmia, a paramotor team coming to us from, well, those individuals coming to us from all across the country to be with us this weekend, and very shortly they're going to be launching to give us some beautiful passes, especially as the sun reflects off the clouds in front of us. And we get things underway. Consisting tonight of John Isley, Justin Fox, Scott Baxter, Andrew Solano, and working ground this weekend, Alexis Quintana and Charlie the Dog. They come from all over the United States, all with real full-time jobs, but they enjoy flying whenever they get a chance. And this, they make their first ever appearance here at the Greenwood Lake Air Show.